The epic staring contest. Behold, the ultimate showdown. The cat's laser-focused gaze meets the dog's unwavering stare. It's a high-stakes game of, who blinks first.
Aw, look at them bonding.
Wait for it.
Brace yourselves for a riveting contest of ocular endurance. Couch takeover. The cat reigns supreme on the couch, claiming it as a royal throne. Meanwhile, the dog, with a comically squished expression, tries to fit anywhere it can. This is the battle of the seating arrangement. Grab your popcorn. Sneak attack, feline style, watch out, doggo. The cat's inner ninja emerges, silently stalking its prey. The dog, blissfully ignorant, becomes the unsuspecting victim of a surprise pounce.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What have you done? What did you do?
Get ready for a stealthy ambush of epic proportions. Zoom eyes versus elegance. Witness the wild energy of the dog's zoom eyes, as it races in circles like a tornado. In contrast, the cat moves with the grace of a ballet dancer, leaping onto high shelves with finesse. The midnight serenade. Under the moon's gentle glow, the cat unleashes its inner diva, serenading the night with a melodious yowl. The dog, ever the loyal companion, joins in with howls that could rival a wolf pack. It's a midnight duet that'll leave you in stitches. Food bandits enter the world of culinary espionage. The cat, a master of stealth, swipes treats with finesse. Meanwhile, the dog, with comically guilty eyes, devours the evidence. This video is brought to you by IMU, your trusted name in home security. Imu presents the ultimate in home protection with their 4MP Wi-Fi outdoor/indoor security camera. This camera is not only waterproof but also AI-enabled, providing advanced features to safeguard your home. But wait, there's more. Imu has an exclusive offer just for our viewers. You can get this top-of-the-line security camera at an amazing discount. Click the link below to secure this unbeatable deal from Imu and elevate your home security to the next level. Get ready for a thrilling tale of snack heists. Game of hide and seek. The cat hides in plain sight, smirking as the dog frantically searches. The dog, tail wagging like a metronome, refuses to admit defeat. Will the cat reveal its secret lair, or will hide and seek continue indefinitely? Text.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up. Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga!
Are you guys done?
Savvy pets. Chaos reigns in the digital realm as the cat conquers the keyboard with cryptic messages, while the dog joyfully chases the elusive cursor on the computer screen. It's a tech comedy you won't want to miss. Weather reporters. The cat becomes a weather oracle, gazing out the window with wisdom beyond its years. The dog, always enthusiastic, adds its commentary with barks of approval.